You guys, welcome back. I stopped by a bakery recently and saw a dessert I enjoyed eating when I was a child. Let's make it. These are glutinous mung bean dumplings in a sweet and salty coconut milk soup. There's also a hint of savoriness in here too. Let's get started. First, let's prepare a ginger syrup. Some peeled ginger. Smash it up a bit so it will release its flavor. And some shaved palm sugar. Melt the sugar on medium heat. When it bubbles, in goes water. Followed by ginger, and pandan leaves. It's going to add a lot of aroma and flavor to the syrup. When the sugar dissolves, simmer on medium-low for 10 minutes, covered. Ginger syrup is done. Set aside. For the salted coconut milk, in goes coconut milk on medium heat, followed by salt. And a slurry of cornstarch and water. This will thicken up the salted coconut milk a bit. For the filling, we'll need some scallion. Shallots also work as a great substitute too. This will add an unexpected but delightful savoriness to the dumplings. And strained, peeled, split mung beans that have been rinsed and soaked for 1 hour. On medium heat, in they go. And water. Boil until the mung beans are soft and can be smashed between your fingers easily. Let's blend them up into a smooth mixture. Back in, the smooth mung bean mixture goes on medium heat. Season with sugar, salt, and scallion. Stir continuously until the moisture evaporates and this mixture thickens up. It might seem like it's taking forever, but eventually it will thicken up. It's ready when you can form a ball like this. For the dumpling wrapper, we'll need glutinous rice flour and coconut milk. Keep folding until you get a smooth ball of dough like this. Pinch off a bit smaller than a golf ball size of dough. Roll into a ball and flatten it into a disc with your fingers. Add in a ball of mung bean filling to the center and wrap the dough around it. Roll it between your hands to smooth it out. And press it a bit flat like this. And you have a dumpling. Repeat. My family used to go to this one grocery store about an hour away. As soon as you walked in, there was a wide selection of desserts, and this was one of the ones that I'd enjoy picking up. Bring water to a boil on medium-high heat, and in goes the dumplings. Boil for about 10 minutes until they are nice and soft. The dough will become shiny like this, and the filling will also soften up inside. Scoop them out and place in cold water to cool down. To serve, add some dumplings to a bowl. As much syrup as you'd like, the more the better. And salted coconut milk to balance. The flavor of the ginger and pandan leaves are prominent and comforting. The soup has a nice balance of sweet and saltiness and hugs the soft glutinous dumplings well. Top with roasted sesame seeds and enjoy. It's best eaten warm or at room temperature. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.